This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and to run your business. Photographer Jessica Whitaker here, and we are in beautiful Bali, Indonesia, and I'm going to bring you along behind the scenes on a trade for print shoot with a model. In today's video, I am shooting with a Nikon. I'm shooting with a Nikon D810 and a 50mm 1.4 lens. Before we get started, I do want to thank our sponsor for today's tutorial, Squarespace. Them being able to sponsor this video means that I'm able to pump out more free tutorials and content for you and your photography business every single week. So be sure to stick around and hit subscribe so you're the first to know when a new tutorial comes out. And let's hop into the video after a quick commercial break. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a polished and professional portfolio can get us those $1,000 clients. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for websites and domains. Photographers, it's time to be done settling for slow-loading websites with tedious plugins. I trust Squarespace's all-in-one platform to keep me booked and busy. Pick from one of their dozens of contemporary drag-and-drop layouts, host your custom domain and email with them, and even conduct successful email campaigns. Everything you need to run a successful photography business under their umbrella and at your fingertips. You can head to squarespace.com to begin your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain. The first location we're gonna do and the first outfit is the entrance to the villa, which has this beautiful wall of all these wonderful jungle leaves. So let's begin. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Yes, cute, cute, cute. And I'm doing this really wide shot. Beautiful, Renata, the cheekbone. Stay just like that for 1 second. So you can notice how I'm holding the lens is slightly tilted down to elongate her just a tiny bit. How about now like kind of walking forward and maybe putting your hand up on one of, there's like this really big, you can't see it, but there is, yeah. Cute. What if now even rest your head against it? Oh, I'm tired. Yes, tilt your face down just slightly. Love, I'm gonna just fix your hair to bring it all the way forward. So beautiful. Okay, so now something below her, I'm gonna have to shoot in live view so I can make sure that I'm getting her fully in the frame. It's a nice flattering angle. Now with the Nikon, you can't tap to focus. It's not a touch screen. So that is one thing to keep in mind is I have to kind of almost focus on her, hold the shutter down, and then move the framing how I want it to be. Let's take a quick look at the photos. Okay, do you want to take a look?
Yes.
Okay, come on over, Jenny. Ooh, time to deliver the images to the client. Okay.
Whoa.
Can we say cheekbone all together now? Cheekbone, cheekbone. Okay, these are a little underexposed, but you're doing so amazing. Love,
Wow.
love. You are so amazing. What if I have you, Renata? What if we did some kind of sitting one and we had this almost framing her, like where your head is? Beautiful, Renata. Gorgeous. What if we did some, even over here with these huge trees? You could even stand like within it. Next area, we are gonna continue on with her kind of putting her head against a leaf. And then we pulled in a reflector. So Joanna is so wonderful in holding that. Thank you. And then that's just gonna bounce light onto Renata, because this whole corner, as you can see, this is all pretty dark and the sun is way over there, but it's able to bounce, hit her. That reflector is pretty dramatic. The one that I keep in my own vehicle is like this big, but that is incredible. Okay. So we're shooting on my shutter speed is 500, the f-stop is 1.4, and the ISO is 100. Beautiful, Renata, and then pop your eyes up here. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Sorry, I'm manually focusing, that's why I'm silent. Beautiful, lift your face up just slightly too. Yeah, perfect. Now this is where, since it's so focused in and honed in on her face, and this is such an odd angle, you have to, as the photographer, make sure that you are making this the most possible thing. I'm not gonna shoot from down here, because then it looks like her neck blends into her like jaw. I'm not gonna shoot too high up. I want it to be perfect, almost what my eyes see. Joanna, is there a way to bring it a tiny bit? Yeah, that's perfect, Joanna. Oh my gosh, beautiful, Renata. And then again, I'm manually focusing. I want to get it right on her eye. That's beautiful. Ooh, even like in this little crevice is pretty, and we can have this over top. Yeah, I actually really like, I even like how this goes behind the head slightly. How amazing are these huge tree, like leaves? I love it. Okay, so, wow. And with her, the print of her pants is so good with this. Gorgeous. And then I'm just gonna manual focus. Joanna, our queen.
I'm an assistant.
We couldn't do it without you, literally. Okay, so I am being pretty careful not to get any of that concrete in it. I want this to be purely, have you put that hand back up for me? Beautiful. And close your eyes. I think now let's do new outfit, another little location at the villa. So the villa we're at is super versatile. We have so many great locations, and we have a whole wardrobe that we're just gonna kind of do maybe 2 or 3 outfits from, and we can just run back to our room, change, shoot some more. It's really great. So if you can even do this with your friends and plan out like one afternoon to shoot, you can seriously nail out quite a few portraits in just an afternoon. So that's what we are gonna do, and I'm so excited for these. Taking this from the ground, I'm gonna hold this in front of the lens because this location is so beautiful with all of these flowers in the background, but I want to kind of pull in a little bit more of that with this little flower leaf thing. But this is so pretty, and it's really soft backlighting because it's almost golden hour, so it's very like feminine, romantic, really pretty. The colors that she has, this material, the straw hat, kind of still lets the light in, illuminated so beautifully, and this will kind of add a little bit of color and soften it nicely. So cute, so freaking. Let's do this one more time. I'm just gonna get the hat fully in. So bring your head, same kind of like up, tilted down, hands up, and then bring the shoulder up slightly. Yeah, shoulder even more towards this way, this way, this way. Yeah, perfect, beautiful. Okay, stay just like that. Especially like this shot where it's so close, I wanna make sure the hair is perfect and clean and not on the neck so much. Okay, beautiful. Yep, lift your face up even higher. You have the best cheekbones. Beautiful. Yeah, perfect. That's so cute. Hold it like up here and then like off to the side and then kind of just lean forward and we'll just get a tiny bit of this, but most of your smile and cheekbones and yeah, cute, cute, cute. Lift your face up really high. Beautiful, beautiful, Renata. That's so cute. Frame, I'm gonna do framing next. Okay, I'm gonna come closer for that. I actually love the hat right there. Cute. Look over your shoulder too. Yeah, and then even look that way completely. Bring the hat up even closer to you. Yeah. Cute. Gorgeous. Okay, stay just like that while I adjust the focus. Big smile. Okay, perfect. Bring your head down again. 50 millimeter, be like, let me go 4 miles real quick with the lens. Beautiful. How about kick your feet out too? Like really cute. And like almost kick them up and like lean back. Yeah, cute. Pull your torso up though, nice and tight. Yeah, perfect. Stay just like that. Yeah, cute. Beautiful, Renata. Big smiles, gorgeous. Kick your legs back up. Beautiful. Let's do my own core workout. Bring that hand a little bit closer to you. Yeah, actually, I still like it out, but just a tiny bit closer to the body. Actually, bring it back, you're fine. Yeah, cute. Tilt your head back one more time for me. Big smiles again. Cute. Or maybe pretend to put your hair into a bun and like bring the hat more on your lap and then, or like a ponytail. And then I'm just gonna have you looking forward, but with your back leg, to bring it up just a little bit more so we see more of the calf. Well, you can have one down and then the back one, kind of bring your leg. Yes, perfect. And then put your hair up, so cute. And now put it into a ponytail, pretend to. Yeah, cute. And then smile at Jenny. Lift your face up nice and high. Tilt it more towards me. Put it into a bun again. Look back at me. That's cute. Okay, I think we totally got it. All right, that is the behind the scenes photo shoot tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you feel educated, encouraged, inspired to go out and shoot. And if you want to share some of your portraits that you've been taking over the past few weeks, be sure to drop them in my free photography Facebook group, Build and Bloom. I'll have it linked down below. It's one of Facebook's most highly engaged creative communities for photographers, where there are so many kind and encouraging people who are ready to pour into you and your work. I'm gonna have Build and Bloom linked down below. Be sure to hit subscribe if you want to receive a new tutorial every single week for your business right in your inbox. And of course, don't forget to check out Squarespace. The 10% off discount code is linked down below. If you want to bring it one step further with your creative career, be sure to check out my online photography workshop, The Business Behind Photography, navigating everything you need to know about running a sustainable photography business in your own backyard from A to Z. It has blessed so many photographers and their businesses all across the globe, and I can't wait for you to find out more. If you want to learn what I offer in my 6.5-hour program, breaking down my 12-year photography learning curve from me to you, check out down below the link, or you can head to jessicawhitaker.co/workshop. You can check out the lesson plan, including a really chunky chapter all on pricing your photography and the logistics behind it, and reviews and testimonials from other students who have taken my online course. I hope to see you in the classroom. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.